Hey guys, Sean with American Window Concepts. Another video for you. Why do builders use cheap windows? Let's get into it. I'm out in the field a lot, starting to do houses that are built in the late 90s, 2000s. A lot of their questions are, hey man, are these cheap windows? I mean, are they not, they don't look like they're performing very good. Half, if not more, of the dual pane glass units are all fogged up. I can't clean them anymore. And the answer is absolutely they're cheap. They're cheap because there are window producers out there that are going out and they are looking for builders who are looking for the lowest possible price. Nothing to do with quality. Now there's some builders out there that care. They care a lot and they'll use a window that has a better performance, has better service, better looks, and they'll only get those windows because they're not gonna sacrifice their builder's name, and I applaud those. But there are some builders who are price conscientious, and I hate to say it, but you know, they have the track homes that look, every third house all of a sudden is the same as the other, and it just is what it is. The windows that they might use in that house might be really, really cheap. They'll have multiple places give a quote for a project and they'll say the lowest bid wins. These guys sharpen their pencils and they go to work. Obviously, the lowest priced window is not gonna be the greatest window at all. There's going to be some issues. I mean, the locks aren't gonna be great, rollers aren't gonna last long, weather stripping is eh, and then you're talking about the warranty, probably a 1-year warranty. The window, as long as it's Energy Star in California, then fine, that'll work. It's a vinyl window, it meets Energy Star, and it's not hard to meet Energy Star at all. Then you get the job. And then they'll come in, they'll slap all these windows in. 10 years later, it's like, man, these windows, man, they're garbage. And they'll ask me, yeah, is this a cheap window? It is. It's a really cheap window. We'll replace them, and the first thing they notice is, wow, yeah, we can tell the difference between our old cheap windows and a very, very packaged up, nice window. Not all windows are created equal. Let's talk about that again, right? If by chance you happen to have a home that has some very inexpensive windows, the pull rail where the lock is separating from the glass, and anybody who has this will know because they're opening and closing their window and they're like, whoa, the frame is coming off the glass. It's because they're being sparing with amount of caulking that they're using because every bit of any material is costing them extra money. So you get what you get, right? Anyways, that is the reason why some builder grade windows are just absolute trash. Easily replace them with a very high performance, very well put together window. There's plenty out there. Any questions, let me know. Ask them in the comment section. I'll get to them as soon as I possibly can. Thank you guys so much for watching this and make it a great day. Hey guys, if you live in the Ventura or Long Beach area and are interested in a free in-home estimate, go to our website, AmericanWindowConcepts.com, and we'll reach back out to you as soon as possible. If you guys find this information valuable and you want to continue to learn more about windows and doors, subscribe to our channel. Thank you so much.